lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I'm proud of myself getting back in the swing of filming. Today is just a super simple, kind of springy, summery, glowy makeup routine. I'm getting somewhat tanner. I've been trying to tan for prom just this weekend and I'm so excited. I'm going to show you guys a ton of pictures, I promise. And this time I'm going to keep my promise. That I promise. So today is just a warm day here, going to be about like 60, 70 degrees. So I've got this nice flowy tank top on that I got last night from American Eagle. And then my cropped jeans. This is going to be the most awkward thing I've ever done. Cropped jeans. Yes. Yay for awkwardness. So, if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Also, if you're new here, my name is Natalie. If you couldn't tell by what the channel was called, that's fine. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and leave any future video requests down in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're out like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. And everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer. I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know. Cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just trying to party, live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. And everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer. Whoa, the summertime. The summertime. I met you in the summer. The summertime, yeah. When I met you in the summer. They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're out like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. And everybody's listening now. But we got nothing When I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summer. I met you in the summertime with your fine ass. Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy. And she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know. Cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just tryna party. Live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love, then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby, but I gotta leave soon.